Alright, so I have another one. Alright, let's go to regular mode. So, same as always. It does turn on. It's at 57 right now. When you connect it to the computer, it says there's a malfunction. So that's what I get. It says check the connection and device not recognized. I have a good cable. It doesn't charge, but it does recognize it. You can hear it. So that's why I'm replacing the charge port. Okay, so here we go. That's the connector. Let's see how fresh and pristine it is. If it's been messed with before. Let's turn that down. It's looking good. All right, I'll replace it. So here's what it looks like. There we go. Let's get this replaced. All right, let's begin this iPad Air charge port replacement. I got the replacement right here. Just got it going. Cool, you can see those beads on the top left and bottom right. They're lined up, so we're gonna get this going. That's a moment of truth. Got it plugged in. Tester. Nice. That looks right. I'll get it all assembled then.